Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. So let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your Snapchat snap score. So basically what snap score is, it's the number over here where it's 157 over here. So if you want to hide it, you can basically click on this icon over here, and after you click on that icon, scroll down until you see contact me, who's on who can section, contact me, and it's set on everyone. Now click on my friends. Now basically only your friends can see your snap score. So that's basically how you hide your Snapchat snap score from general public. But there is like no way you can hide it from your friends, like all your friends. The only way you can hide your snap score from a specific person is by blocking them or removing them as your friend. Like this, go on my friend Avinav Timla, I need to hold on his name and click on more and click on block him or remove friend. So if I block him, then he can't see anything related to me, and if I click on remove friend, then he's not my friend and only my friend can see my Snapchat info. So that's basically he can't see it since he's not my friend. But there is no way around where you can hide your snap score from everyone, because Snapchat has not provided that feature yet. So you cannot hide your snap score from everyone. You can only hide it from general public, and to hide it from your friends, you need to remove them as your friend or block them. So that's basically how you hide your Snapchat's snap scores. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.